Assalamu alaikum, it's me Ifra Sayed. Hope you all are good. In this video we will do something different. I will try my best to teach you 3 different languages in a single video, and trust me, it will be very interesting. And before starting the video, let me tell you first how I got interest in Persian. As I was in Iran in 2022, and their Persian accent just took my heart. It is very sweet language, and their accent is too good. So from that day I started learning Persian, but I'm not too good in Persian as I'm Pakistani and my native language is Urdu, so I'm not too much good in Persian, but I know the basics of Persian. So I think it's the enough introduction. Let's move back to the video, and let me tell you another thing, that is, I don't know where, but I heard Persian is quite easier for the people who knows Pashto. So comment in the comment section, Pashtun people, that after watching the video, that is Persian language is similar to Pashto. Let me know this. Okay, let's move back to the video. Our first word is accomplish. I took this word from the English dictionary. It's the first word that starts with A, so it's accomplish. It's not the first word that starts with A, but I took the most common words that starts with A, and accomplish is the first word on the top of the list, so I took this word. Its English meaning is achieve or complete successfully. So I think it's a very easy meaning. I don't know, I think I don't need to explain it more. So the meaning of English, accomplish in English, is achieve or complete successfully. Let's move to its sentence. Its sentence is, the greatest revenge is to accomplish what others say you cannot do. So its English sentence is, I think so, very easy, and there is no tough English in it. So I think it's all clear to you. The greatest revenge is to accomplish what others say you cannot do. And in easy English, it's like do whatever that others says you cannot do. So let's move to the next language, that is Urdu, and it's my language, my mother's language. So let's start Urdu. In Urdu, the meaning of accomplish is pura karna, mukammal karna. So in English, its meaning is complete successfully. So the translation of complete successfully in Urdu is pura karna or mukammal karna. Okay, so let's move to the sentence. The sentence of accomplish in Urdu is, let me tell you first that I translated this sentence in Urdu. Okay, so it's सबसे बड़ा बदला, सीन बेसा, सीन पढ़िए से, बेड़े अलिफ बड़ा, बदला वो काम करना है जो दूसरे कहते हैं कि आप नहीं कर सकते. So in Urdu, it's सबसे बड़ा बदला वो काम करना है जो दूसरे कहते हैं कि आप नहीं कर सकते. So let's translate this sentence word by word in English. So first of all, we have सबसे बड़ा. So its meaning in English is greatest, and badla is revenge. वो काम करना है, its meaning is doing that work. वो the exact meaning of वो is that. So let me write here, doing that work. जो, the meaning of जो in English is which. दूसरे, दूसरे. Its meaning in English is others. Other. कहते हैं says आप नहीं कर सकते. You cannot do. So I translated this sentence in Urdu. Okay, the greatest revenge is to accomplish what others says you cannot do. So it's same. So let's move to the next language, that is Persian. So in Persian, its meaning is the meaning of accomplish is takmil or bright takmil. Sorry Persian people if I pronounce it wrongly. So but I think I pronounce it accurately. It's takmil, bright takmil. And the Persian sentence is بزرگترین انتقام انجام کاری است که دیگران میگویند نمی توانید انجام دهید. So it's Persian, and trust me, the Persian accent is very sweet and very good. So let's translate it word by word. So first word is buzurgtarin. So buzurgtarin, the meaning of buzurgtarin in English is greatest. The people who are familiar with Urdu knows that in Urdu we use the word buzurg for the elderly people. So I think Persian is a little bit similar with Urdu as well. So greatest, intikam. Intikam is revenge. It is same like in Urdu, intikam. Anjam kari ast. So the meaning of anjam kari is doing something. Do something, where I write it. Do something. The next word is ast. The meaning of ast in English is okay. Its meaning is that digran, others. May, its meaning is may. Gune, they say. Nami, not. Twanind, its meaning is you can. Anjam is do, and did is give. So it's so I translated this sentence in Persian as well. So if in English is it is the greatest revenge is to accomplish what others say you cannot do. So you will say it in Persian like بزرگترین انتقام انجام کاری است که دیگران میگویند نمیتوانید انجام دهید. So this is the whole video. I think I made it interesting as possible as I can. So if this video is interesting for you, so kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the next videos, and most important, remember me in your prayers and smile always. Allah Hafiz.